So, I couldn't film the video anywhere but in my hands. So, sorry guys, you're gonna have to deal with this absolute garbage setup. I lost all my energy. Why is the phone moving, but nothing else is moving with the phone? This is super annoying. There. You can see the abilities. You can see my character. But you can also see the tilt of the, you know what? I don't care. You guys are gonna have to deal with it until I get a camera. So, at the end of the video, I'll show you what the game is called. Right now, I'm level 892. I would play the other game, Your Bizarre Adventure, but I can't load that game for whatever reason. Literally waited an hour. Nothing. So, this is the best I can give you, to be honest. Till I figure out why the game isn't loading. If you know why the game isn't loading, can you type it in the comments down below. I'll read it. Cause I really want to play the game. I keep on seeing videos of how cool that game is. Blah blah blah. Like, come on. This isn't fair to me. Right now, I'm just gonna hit anyone with an orange name. Cause they're one of the toxic people. Douchebag. Who is that? I'm gonna kill him. Whoever's moving, I'm gonna kill. I saw you, you dirt baby. You dirt baby. You dirty little dirt baby. I know you ain't hitting me. I know you are not hitting me. Don't stop time again. You Russian wannabe. Spoopy season. Hey, douchebag. 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 Come here, douchebag. Your whole gang is toxic. I'm gonna kill every one of you guys. Cause oh, he's coming at me. Wow. Of course my phone falls. Right during battle. I'm in first person mode. Hey! Homie! What's with the gun though? 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 Now, since I'm toxic, because phone fell, that means I'm gonna have to start another fight that I know I can't win for content. Die, demon. Oh, yeah, now you can see my abilities, and you can see my character. Perfect setup. The only problem is, you're apparently at an angle. Hey, spoopy boy. I'm gonna kick your chest in. That was not cool how you just killed me while my phone fell. The people needs to see how I died. That means I'm gonna have to pick another fight with you. For content. Where did he go? Where's my content at? Where is my content? I'm gonna beat on him as soon as I find him. Wow. I wonder whose stand that could be. Okay, he's not strong enough to kill. He's just started. See, I'm classy. Even my pose is classy. You can't lie. Look at it. Look at my bacon here. I know you want to eat it. Come on. You know you like it though. You know you like it though. You can't tell me you do not want to eat this with eggs. You can't tell me that. You know you like it. You know you like it, girl. Okay. First person I see with orange name, I'm a lunge on him. I'm gonna yank him towards me. Is that the douchebag? That's not the douchebag. Where's the douchebag at? Who has an orange name? You have an orange name? Buckle off, man. Buckle off, man. You little I'm tired of your clan. Keep on messing with us, man. Hey, I did not actually get gangbanged, bro. Hey, bro. Come here, no. I know you did not just try to run away after trying to hit me now. Come on now. You can't do that. He does damage. Not enough damage, but he does damage. I'm not gonna lie, he does damage. He tried his best to help his garbage people, but he couldn't really hold up that much. This game is really boring. Unless you can get a lot of people trying to kill you at once. See, now, look at those stats. I'm not gonna die that easily. Look at my stand stats. Look, get this out of the way. Look at that speed. Look at the special, aka healing myself. Look at. Hey, don't be a douchebag, phone. Look at the power. Whoa, my phone. What? I got everything under the sun. Or should I say, heaven. Everything over heaven. Get it? Because I can see heaven. I should stop talking. To be honest, I don't even know if these are real stands. Because the guy that was punching me with his stand obviously wasn't doing any damage. To be honest, I should have let him live. He had the balls to keep on attacking me. I should have let him live. He obviously had the world, but they said it was like some other stand. Guys, tell me in the comments if these stands are actually a thing. Like, what is this stand actually a thing? I don't know. I'm just rocking with it. See, wait. Is this actually a stand? Is it, like, I know this could be a stand itself, but I don't know if this guy, Eye of the President over heaven. Hold up, Chief. Eye of the Ghost over heaven. What the hell? You don't look as buff as my stand, but you're the Eye of the President. My sister he beat on him for no reason now. Come on now. Move! No! Get back here. I'm not gonna let this slide. Listen, bro. No, bro. Come back. Come here. No. That's not gonna work. Yeah, get him. Get back here, son. Get back here, boy. Listen, that's not gonna work multiple times. Boy. Don't be teeing nobody in AFK. That's disrespectful. No, I don't want to trade. No. No. Help, help. They want to trade and I don't want to. No. I'm gonna let this video get to 12 minutes because I wasted 2 minutes of your time setting up the video. So, kicked in the nudes. Or up his crack. Yes. Okay, now you're gonna get kicked in the nudes. Looked like I kicked him in the chest, but I kicked him in the nudes. I should make this my profile picture. Or should I make this my profile picture? Just this. Let's try. 3, 2, 1. There. I got it. I got it, homies. Well, no, before I end this video, I'm gonna kick someone's skull in for you guys, for you can see the disappointment in their face as I clearly don't do any damage to them. Next video, I'm gonna be really nice, but this video, I'm being a douchebag because I'm mad. Who should get their chest cracked? Hey, kid, you got a stand, kid? Cause I can get you a stand, kid, for the right price. I don't even have enough money to buy this kid a stand. Can we talk about how I'm gonna smash one of your heads in before the video ends? Okay, let's just massacre! Massacre! Yeah! 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 I had my fun. See, Stands Online is one of the funnest games if you can't get into this godforsaken game. Like, show it. Why is it so blurry? Ew. If you can't get into this game, your Bizarre Adventure, like I said, I literally waited an hour before, never loaded. Pretty sure he needs to go get that checked. I don't think, to be honest, you don't need a whole loading screen for your game. Roblox got that for you. So maybe this game would be better if he didn't have that godforsaken loading screen. But like, you just play this game. Play this game. Stands Online. If you can't play this game, your Bizarre Adventure. Oh yeah, I've been playing these games too. Look at this clown. Look at this clown.